the i'tikaf, once the moon is sighted, you exit immediately, meaning it's over. You start off the 21st night. In some countries it's already started, and in some countries it may be tonight. But you end where the moon is sighted, so it's either 9 or 10. My brothers and sisters, by the time we get out of i'tikaf, our lives should have changed. May Allah Almighty help us to do this at least a few times in our lives, or at least just once in our lives. It is something amazing. Many times in our masajid, we see the same uncles in the masjid doing this i'tikaf, and there should be people who join. There should be younger blood as well. May Allah grant us the acceptance to engage in this and to be able to help and assist when it comes to this i'tikaf, the Ummah of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah grant us every good and forgiveness. Ameen.